Hello, thank you for coming to this presentation. Pripas Om Swastiastu. My name Ninyo Matesta Apiani at the Fakultas Ekonomi Jurusan Ekonomi dan Akuntansi in Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Next, I will present an article that I have made with the title of Knowledge Analysis of Financial Statement in MSMIS in Karangasem District. And the first, its preliminary background of article, it is many people during the current pandemic are building business because of economic demands. And also not all business actors have an accounting and management background. Whereas if you have to hire expert, it is still not possible financial. This in accordance with the result of previous studies that the obstacle of problem faced by SMSR, and 1 low education, 2 lack of understanding of information technology, and 3 constraint of preparing financial report. However, to be able to read financial statement, knowledge is needed, both formal and informal knowledge. And the next purpose of research. Purpose of research is this study aims to determine the extent to which MSMI actors have knowledge of financial reports on MSMI is in Karangasem Regency. The next, it's method. The data analysis used is a description approach for tomorrow of to facilitate data analysis. A simple frequency distribution table will be present the data waste option through questionnaire and interview with directly with me, MSMI actor in the study of knowledge analysis of financial statement on MSMI is in Karangasem district. The number of respondents who were successfully found and who filled out the questionnaire complete were 7 respondents. The next result and discussion. A total of 7 MSMI respondents in Karangasem district were found. Most of the respondents were female, with detail of 3 women and 4 men. With regard to education, it is proven that most of the respondents have a senior high school education with a total 4, 1 respondent junior high school, 1 respondent S1, and 1 respondent S2. Next, discussion of financial statement knowledge. Based on the result of the study, knowledge of MSMI financial report in Karangasem district is generally grouped into 4 categories of answer, namely knowledge of financial statement, benefit and function of financial report, education about financial report, option by respondent, and business activities related to financial statement, which can be seen in table 2. In the category of knowledge of financial statement, there are 7 respondents answer or 100%. No financial statement as the financial reporting process of a business company. Related to the knowledge of the benefit and function of financial statement, there are 5 respondents answer on 71% know the benefit and function of financial statement, namely to see income, expense, and operation profit obtained. This study also showed that from the number of respondents, 5 respondents or 71% admit that they knew many things related to financial statement. Of the 7 respondents, 5 respondents at 71% receive financial reporting education from formal education, namely lesson during senior high school, while the rest they are 2 respondents in 29% who admit that they receive financial reporting education through training and integral to business activities related to financial report. So knowledge of financial statement in their business, they are 100% or 7 respondent no financial statement as a business activity that they are at the time of receiving payment, making expense for bill, and paying employee salary. The next conclusion. Based on the result of data analysis and the discussion of respondent opinion and answer, knowledge of MSMI financial statement in Karangasem district recognizes financial statement, and in a simple way, in addition, it is thought that most of the respondents believe in their ability to have knowledge of financial statement. One of the cause of limited knowledge of financial statement, and because most of them do not get education about financial reports, so they do not understand the importance of financial statement, which can have an impact on the development of their business. And thank you.